gamers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to connect JBL headphones to PS5. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to connect your JBL headphones to your PS5, well, this one is going to be kind of complicated. Now, there are multiple ways to connect your JBL headset to your PS5, but first is you need to check your compatibility. Now, in this case, some headphones like the JBL Quantum series are designed for gaming and work as well as with PS5. But then again, not all JBL headphones is actually supported. So it's best to see if it's actually supported, but you can go and try these steps I'll be showing you later on here. So in this case, the first thing that you want to do here, or maybe try here, is you may want to use your USB dongle. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and get your USB dongle here. So usually it has a USB port, in this case, USB here. You can just plug it into your PS5 and see if that actually works. Now, by the way, this will automatically be in pairing mode here. So typically this should automatically detect and connect the wireless headphones. So you won't have to worry about that. But usually, just to make sure that you're using your JBL here, what you need to do is you want to go to your PS5 settings, you want to go to sound and audio output, and just select JBL headphones as your output device. Now you can go and adjust the volume, microphone settings as needed, and you should be good. Now, just in case if you don't have a dongle here and it uses USB, so usually headphones like that, or in this case Bluetooth headphones like that usually have their own jack here, which is a 3.5mm port. Now, what you need to do is you want to get your cable that came with your JBL headset here, and you want to go ahead and just plug it into your JBL headset, and also plug it into the port that is available here on your PS5 controller. Now, the great thing about PS5 controller here is it actually supports sound on that. So once you plug your headset here into your PS5 controller, this will automatically let you hear the game through your headphones. So you don't have to change anything here. It automatically works. But the thing with this one is if you do that, usually you can only hear from it and you won't be able to use your microphone that was in your headset here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.